Danger.
They will check the scene.
Okay.
Scene is safe.
Mm.
Hey, are you okay? Hey, are you okay? And
Response or no response?
no response. Hey, you in blue shirt, call 998, get the AED and come back.
Mm.
Then I will check if
Head tilt, chin lift. Look, listen, and feel. Carotid pulse. See the carotid pulse. And count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Negative pulse, negative breathing. I will perform
CPR.
CPR.
Locate the cipher process. Lock your arms. Straight your arms. And count.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Look at your patient all the time.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1.
Gamitin mo to, Jovi. Alam mo ba kung paano yung gamitin? Okay. And head tilt pa rin. I-seal mo tong isa, yung letter yan. I-seal mo at the same time. At the same time, hindi. Letter C. Letter yan. Pero at the same time, may head tilt ka pa rin. And blow. Okay, continue. Sige, huwag ka nang tagalin. Diyan na yan. Kasi mag-CPR ka. Tapos na. Yung blow. Continue.
Continue CPR. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2.
Head tilt, chin lift, seal, and blow. One more. Okay. How many times are you gonna repeat that?
5.
Okay, fifth na.
Pulse. I say hyper process.
How deep are you going to push sa... Ha? For adult. For baby?
20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9,
9,
5. Head tilt, chin lift, lock or seal, and blow. Can you show me how to blow properly? Blow nga. I think kailangan pa ng malakas. Yun. Okay. Then, assess for 10 seconds. Head tilt, chin lift, carotid pulse. Don't. Okay, count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Positive pulse, positive breathing.
Positive pulse, negative
Negative
breathing.
breathing.
Perform. Rescue
rescue
breath. So, gamit ka ng CPR mask.
Yes.
Blow. Yung
One.
proper na blow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3.
How many times are you gonna repeat that?
As long as possible.
No?
For 2 minutes.
So, within 2 minutes, dapat makailan ka?
10.
10 per minute.
Per minute,
10 to
so
15
20.
minute per minute. So, 20 to 30
breaths.
per 2 minutes. So, let's say 30 na lang. Tapos, count by 10. Count by 5.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10.
10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11.
15.
15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 30.
Check. Head tilt, chin lift, look, listen, and feel. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Positive pulse, positive breathing.
Perform.
Perform recovery position.
Paano yan? No, ikaw na din siya.
This hand, and then here, and then left, and then like this.
Okay, so ganun mo si patient. Kunwari nakaharap na. Sir, I'll move you to my
To
side.
my side in 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Check the head. Assess the head if may mga bleeding. Ganito mo yung gloves. Tingnan mo. Assess yan. Okay, assess the back. Check the back. Okay, check the legs. May mga fractures and everything. Okay, nothing. Continue lang. Why do you have to put the patient's head like that?
So if the patient will like pag may lalabas na fluid nakaganon.
So to prevent?
Aspiration.
Okay, perfect. So what can you say about yourself?
I was just kinakabahan.
Yeah.
Kinakabahan.
Tapos na, you're losing your breath, right?
Yeah, it's so...
Bakit ka kinakabahan? Ito yung isa kong judge. What can you say?
Perfect, yun lang. Kinabahan lang.
Kinakabahan.
Relax ka lang. Eh.
Ikaw, Shabnam? You like it?
Yeah. Perfect. Perfect.
Okay. Ako din wala akong masabi. Ano lang talaga, confidence na lang. Or yung tagalin mo na lang kasi pag once na you're there, once you're in the real settings, syempre, hindi na kaba-kaba. Pero I think practice lang, you have to be parang more confident about yourself. Tapos louder lang. Tapos obviously, yung blow mo, you have to, I don't know, properly blow lang properly kung paano yung proper breathing. You practice it at home.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Next.